In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a black outline to text here in Canva, and just like this. Now, this is really easy to do. Once you have your text on the canvas just like this, we're going to want to click onto that text, then come to Effects just here in the toolbar, and then we have a few different options. We can choose Hollow, which is this one. We can use Splice as well, which is kind of an offset. And then we have the outline one here as well. Now what we can do with this is come to the little color circle just here, and then we can choose black and or any color that we want. We can then play around with the thickness with this bar. By increasing the bar is going to increase the thickness, just like that, and by decreasing the bar is going to decrease the thickness as well. But as you can see, it's really simple to add a black outline to text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.